Hi, welcome to another AutoAgir tutorial. My name is Patricia and today I'll teach you how to create and manage father and child workflows. This feature lets you create links between processes. You can have a father process associated with many child processes. An audit program, for example, can generate several audit records, keeping the entire system integrated. In this table, we can see the child process status. The child workflow can be manipulated independently without changing data in the father workflow, since the data only goes from father workflow to child workflow. This feature is automatic if the father and child workflow field has the same ID. How to set up this feature in a simple way? You must go to your username, click on Designer, unlock Form Editing, go to the table object where your child workflow will be created. Right-click on the table and click Properties. Add Workflows, pick from the list the workflow you want to link to the father workflow. There are more advanced options that can be configured with LPA or Advanced Wizard, like defining who shall receive the child workflow task, task date, or additional syncs, among others. For those, please contact our support team. We will be more than happy to help you. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and comment down below which feature do you like more about Agir. Thanks for watching and see you next time!